Did you know that since 2022, half of the world's population has been suffering from the consequences of climate change? Rising such global challenges demand strong international collaborations to create sustainable, innovative solutions for the future. The success of those collaborations depends less on contracts and more on the quality of long-term relationships between partners. We observe a growing interest in the literature on open innovation for sustainability issues, pointing to the concept of sustainable open innovation. Despite the richness of these concepts, we still don't know clearly how private and public actors can succeed in collaborating over time. Considering this gap, our research asks a simple but important question. How can actors create and sustain long-term relationships with international stakeholders to foster sustainable open innovation? To address that question, we investigated a very specific context which is renowned for its long-term relationships with international and external stakeholders.
We conducted a qualitative research with private and public actors in Japan, a country famous for long-term strategies at the heart of its business culture. Over 2 years, we interviewed private firms, public institutions, NGOs and universities in order to understand how they manage to build and preserve strong ties with stakeholders over time. As the government launched Society 5.0, sustainability gained a central place in these collaborations. In our research, we applied stakeholder theory to better understand how our interviewees identify what is at stake for their partners, align their internal processes with the external environment, and sustain and deepen these collaborations over time. We found that technology expertise and knowledge act as a catalyst for Japanese actors. It gives them international visibility, provides a neutral ground for collaboration, and reduces cultural barriers by creating a shared vocabulary. However, we also found that human capital is just as crucial to make these relationships last.
Japan is currently facing major demographic challenge. The population is decreasing very fast. Because of this shortage, firms are pushed to search outside Japan for key skills. This external pressure clearly drives international collaborations and pushes firms and institutions to open up. At the same time, Japanese organizations have something very distinctive: a strong willingness to learn from their international partners and a proven ability to maintain long-term, trust-based relationships. These qualities make collaboration not only possible, but sustainable over time. When we put these two elements together, the search for external talent and the internal capability to build and alter relationships, we observe something that one of our interviewees called brain circulations. This is, of course, more than just mobility. It is a continuous flow of ideas, skills, and technical expertise circulating within Japan and beyond its borders. What this means is that technology expertise alone is not enough to address sustainability. It may give visibility and provide common ground for collaborations, but it is human capital, both the people inside the organization and those they connect with abroad, that really ensures these collaborations last, and that they can effectively address sustainability challenge in the future. If you want to know more about our research and how exactly firms can use this insight in their innovation strategies, we invite you to check out our paper.